Hey there, Gospel Guitarist here, and I had someone came across my channel, and it was a video on the RP20 Digitech RP20 unit, and I was changing a tube in that video, and he bought one of these for his daughter and asked me how to fix the one for his daughter because it's not working, and he found out that this black wire is not connected. It's only connected on the top at I think it's 363 RC63, I think. But you can see where it's connected here if I lift that up a little bit. And the white wire is going from PA1 over to PA2. So this one's easy to deal with. But this one's kind of a pain because when this stuff's installed in the case, you can't see where the black wire is going. So I had to take this thing completely apart and take a picture so it would help him out. And I figured if it happened to him, maybe it's something stupid like this on somebody else's board. So the black wire swings underneath, and it looks like it's part of the power supply to the tube. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. There's a very fine green trace in the board. It's very easy to locate, and as you can probably see if I can get this in here, the soldering is minute. I mean, it is really tiny, and there's nothing securing this cable. So you might want to put a dab of hot glue in here. That would be my tip. I don't happen to have my hot glue available right now, but I plan on finding one and doing that. So that's what you need to know about the black and blue wire. And when you're doing this, if you need to do this, be sure to clean up all the dust in there. I had 20-some years of dust in here. So, you know, it's easy enough to get it apart. There's 3 screws that hold the board on, one in the middle, and there's little white circles with big black screws in them. And once you take those 3 out, the whole thing will just lift right free. But when you do it, make sure you take this tab off your tube, because this tab that's kind of securing the vacuum tube in place doesn't want to let you take this board out. So I guess you could probably slide it forward, but I wasn't sure what was under it, so I just decided to bend that back instead. So that's all this video is on. And if anybody's board is just dead, I'm thinking these are power supply wiring because they're big, and usually that indicates power. I'm not an electrician, so I can't verify any of this except where they're connected. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. I hope he found the pictures helpful that I sent to him so he can fix the board for his daughter. And it just struck me to shoot this video because if it happened to him, as flimsy as that wire is, it'd be very easy for it to get disconnected. It's very, very small, and there's nothing up here. They have the glue and everything holding the cable in. Why they don't do that on the back, I guess, is because, well, how are you going to get to it in the back, right? But if you jerk on this somehow, you're changing your tube out, something catches that, you can break that connection on the back. So now that's where it goes if that's happening to you. So thanks for watching. I hope it's helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have stuff for sale now. I have a little store I started, so it's got some mugs and t-shirts and things like that, so it can help support the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good night.